So this is the video where I show you when to delete your branch or your fork after you have sent a pull request, right? So initially or at the beginning, when you send the pull request and while all the review and updating the pull request or the branch is going on, you would usually see that the badge here would be green and what will be written there is open. So the pull request is still open, right? At the point when the pull request is still saying open, you are not to delete the branch that is linked to the pull requests that you have submitted, right? At the point when that badge is still green and says open, do not delete your branch, right? Or your fork, do not delete any of them. So I'm going to show you two examples, right? First, before I show you those examples, you can see that I was able to merge in this person's pull request, right? That's because the branch was still available, both the branch and the fork were still available. So even after I approved it and then merged it in, I was able to access a change. But I'm going to show you two other pull requests right now. You can see that the badge is different. For the other person's badge, our badge was merged, right? Our badge is saying merged and it's color purple. But for these other persons, even though I approved their changes, right, you can see that the badge in both PRs are saying closed. And if you scroll to the bottom of the pull requests, you will see that this person closed this by deleting the head repository. This other person also closed this by deleting the head repository. And if you notice that I have already approved these changes, right? But then because after I approved it, they deleted it, I could not access that change to be able to then merge it in, right? So that's the downside to deleting at the wrong time. So if this was a very real project right now, these people have lost their changes and they actually have to, in the case where they deleted the fork, they have to like fork the repository again, create a new branch and send PR, do all those things again, make their changes and send PR. In the case where it's just a branch, it's just the branch connected that they deleted, they just have to make a new branch, make their new changes and then send it in. Otherwise, their changes cannot be merged into the code base. So that's just a summary of when to delete your pull request. When to delete your branch or your fork, right? After you have sent a pull request.